Good morning, students. In last lecture, we discussed about the radicals, polyatomic ions and monatomic ions, and how we form the chemical formula. In this revision video, we discuss about what is the cation and what is the anion. The element which has the positive charge, that is called cation, and element which has the negative charge on it, that is called anion. Now, how cation is formed? Yes, you already know about this. For example, you take the example of sodium, 11 electron and 11 proton. The overall charge is a neutral, 0. But if sodium lose one electron, when the electron lose, you always write on the right side only, product side. This is the product side or this is the reactant side. So always write this. See there, here charge is 0. So conservation of charge is also there, +1, -1. Overall 0, both side charge is 0. So that's why you write, if lose electron, you write this side only. You write the symbol E-1, negative. Or when gain electron, you always write on the left side. Here your charge is 0, here -1, here -1. So both of conservation of charge is there. So when electron lose sodium lose one electron, the electron become 10 only, -10, and proton always. So overall -10 plus is a +1. Same, if it lose 2 electron, then 9, then it become +2. It is very easy. How the positive charge will come, how the negative charge will come. Yes, those ions which are the one valency only, that is called monovalent ions only. Actually, their valency are two types. Electrovalency and actually one ionic bond also. The ionic bond also called electrovalent bond. Valency are two types, electrovalency and covalency. In case of covalent bond, it is called covalency, and in case of the electrovalent bond, it is called electrovalency. Valency is same actually. Yes, here the monovalent, mono in one, they are the one valency only. Negative and positive not depend. That is only positive or negative, same only. If valency is one, it means monovalent. Negative or positive हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Yes. Now come on the divalent. That is the 2 positive, which one have the 2 negative, which one have the 2 valency, that is divalent. Trivalent, which have the 3 positive charge. These are the, for example, chromium 3 positive. Yes, trivalent. So this is the monovalent, divalent and trivalent. If you have the 4, that is a tetravalent is there. Carbon always is a tetravalent, make the 4 bond only, valency 4 only. Covalency, carbon is in the covalent bond only. Yes. The covalent bond is not included in this chapter. When you go in the further classes, you read about the covalent bond. Yes, this is the ionic bond. What is the ionic bond? Now we discuss about the what is the ionic bond. Yes, see there, ionic bond. Ions. When ions form, the chemical bond formed when one or element transfer its valence electron to another. The bond formed when one electron, for example, sodium is there, their configuration is a 281 and chlorine is a 287. This is a non-metal and this was the metal. Keep in mind, ionic bond is always formed between metal and a non-metal always. If one want to lose electron, other one want to gain electron. Sodium lose 1 electron to this. Sodium become 1 positive and it gain 1 electron, 2 negative. It configuration complete. There also complete. Noble gas configuration stable. And attraction between positive and negative form the ionic bond, or you can say that chemical bond. When one element transfer the electron to the other one take the electron, become negative and positive negative due to electrostatic force of attraction, that form the chemical bond, or you can say that ionic bond. And here ions form, you see that That's why it is called ionic bond. The bond between ions, positive and negative. Yes. So now we see the full structure of these sodium chloride. Yes, see there. We always do the thing in the 3 step only. 3 step always we use. Yes. 3 steps always we use. In first step, and first of all you form to that is sodium chloride. In this lecture we do the practice only. Yes. You write the sodium. First of all you see by the crisscross method. That is the NaCl formula only. Means you require one Na and one Cl. If you use, for example, calcium chloride, calcium 2 positive, crisscross method. For calcium chloride, you want 2 chlorine and 1 calcium. Yes, first of all, Na. You draw the structure of sodium. Yes, first of all, 2 electron, here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the sodium 281. And here you draw the structure of chlorine 287. Yes, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3. Here we use the cross, not the circle, different symbol. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. In the second step, you show to transfer the electron. 1 electron from sodium to, because they want not able to take 7 electrons. They want to lose 1 electron. In next step, I am drawing the next step also here. How you transfer? See there. Here 8, here 2. Same. Here 8, here 2. You transfer 1 electron. Here 1 only, from here to here. And last step you show there, charge will come on them. Because last shell is empty here, here 2, here 8. I am writing here the shortcut, but you have to write make the like a circle only, always 8. And here become 1 positive and here become 1 negative. 2, here 8, here 8. So due to force of attraction, it formed the covalent ionic bond. Ionic bond. Same we draw for the chlorine. Same we draw for the, there are the 2 methods to draw this structure. Yes, first is this method by the circle, by using circles. And the second method is a Lewis dot structure. A Lewis dot structure. You see the Lewis dot structure, step 1, sodium. Lewis say what? 281. According to Lewis, we have to draw, this is the valence shell. Valence shell always form in the form of dot, according to Lewis. Chlorine 287, how many electrons in valence shell? 7. So here draw 7. In the second step, sodium lose 1 electron to the chlorine. And last step, charge will come. No electron on the sodium in the valence shell. And chlorine here 8 electron complete in valence shell. Due to positive negative attraction, it forms the NaCl. If you want to draw in the form of circle, it is very easy. Circular form, yes. In the form of shell. This is the Lewis structure. Same, the next structure is for the calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. Step 1. Calcium chloride. I try to draw the Lewis structure, dot structure. If you want to draw in the circle form, it is very easy only. Yes, calcium 2882. First of all, write the configuration. Here 2 electron. and by using crisscross you are able to do very easily. Yes, calcium chloride. Hanji, here you draw the dot 2. Chlorine how man? Yes, 2 chlorine you have to use. Because calcium want to lose 2 electron, but chlorine want to gain only 1 electron only. So that's why to complete the configuration you want the 2 chlorine only. Yes, this is the first step. In the second step, two chlorine. Yes, down. We use the second step here only, down. Yes, calcium 2 chlorine. Here also chlorine. 1 electron lose calcium here and 1 to this chlorine. So it become 2 8 8. This is also 2 8 8 and this was a 2 8. And third step third. Calcium become 2 positive charge, 288 stable. Chlorine also become 1 negative charge, 8 electron complete. This chlorine also same. Due to positive negative attraction it form the calcium chloride. Now we discuss the structure of the magnesium chloride. Same, if you want to draw in the form of circle, you represent in the form of circle, in the form of shell. This is the Lewis dot structure. Yes, next, magnesium oxide. First of all, you see according to the crisscross method, what is the formula of magnesium oxide? Cut 1 1 crisscross. Yes, it become MgO. Yes, now you draw there. Now you try to draw there. Yes, step first. Magnesium 2 8. Yes, 2 8 2. So Lewis valence shell 2 only. Yes, oxide 6 valence shell electron. Yes, 6 2 8 2 6. Atomic number 8, atomic number 12. In the second step, you transfer the 2 electron because magnesium want to lose 2 and oxygen want to gain 2. It become 2 8 8. It become 2 8. Both are stable. And in last step, charge will come on the magnesium 2 positive and oxygen become also 2 negative. Yes. So attraction between form the MgO. So these are the ionic bond. In the form of circle, if you want to draw, then see there how you draw in the form of circle. That also very easy. Two 8 2. Yes, 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And here how many? 2. Oxygen. This was the sodium. Magnesium. And this was the oxygen. 2 6. 2 cross. Here we use the next another symbol. And here you lose the, in the second step, you again show the by losing the 2 electron. In the last step, you show the same charge like this. Then you are able to form the magnesium oxide. So this is the revision part of the atomic structure. So student, please do the revision of this chapter. Very easy chapter. Practice makes a man perfect. Yes, thank you.